How to get notifications in system.io. So what happens is when you have courses, when you have products inside system.io, and you want to get notified about the sales, about everything that is happening with system.io. Sometimes it happens that don't receive the emails, you don't receive the notifications, and because of that you actually are not aware to, or you will not be able to know exactly what's happening. Okay, so if you are also not getting notifications inside system.io, watch this video, and in next 2 minutes you will know exactly how you will get all the notifications related to sales, related to leads, and related to your affiliate sales. Okay, so let's just jump in and see. Okay, so just log in into your system.io dashboard and go to settings. Okay, here you will just scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to see this option of notifications. Just click notifications and it will take you to this page. Okay, so here you will get two different options. The first option is for uh, your own communities and courses. Okay, so you may have your own community and your courses here inside system.io, and if you want the notification for them, then you can actually go and get it by using these options. And then also, if you are the part of system.io's communities and courses, like if you have bought the courses from system.io, or if you are the part of system.io community and you want to receive the notifications about that, then you can all use these options. Okay, and also there are few sales options in the bottom. So let's just see what are they. So first option is my communities and courses. So for your own communities and courses, if you want to get notified, so you can toggle this option, this particular option, which is here already on. You can see in my case, notify me about comments on my courses. Okay, so when someone comment on your course, you will get the notification about it. Okay, and the second option is notify me about the new pending community posts. So suppose if you have a community in system.io, and if you want to get notified about the pending community post, okay, someone posted in the community and it's pending, and you need to do the approval to get so that it will be shown inside the community, right? So you can get the notification about it as well by toggling this button. Okay, so these are the two options. Right now they have only these two options for your own courses and for your communities. Okay, so in this way you can get the notification about your courses, the comments happening inside the courses, and the no- and the post which are pending inside the community. Okay, then these are the options related to the products of system.io. Okay, so if you are the part of system.io community or courses, and if you want to get notified about it, you can use these options. As you can see, most of the options are off here because I generally don't want to get those notifications. And the third one is here, sales. Okay, so what happens is you have four options here also. Like the first option is send me an email when I have made a sales as a vendor. So when you click this particular button, what will happen is you will start receiving the emails, notifications about the sales that you will be made. And if you will toggle this bottom option, what will happen is you will start receiving emails when you will make an sale as an affiliate. Okay, so both type of sales emails you will receive. This one is for your own product. This one is for when you want to receive the notification when you made a sale as an affiliate. Okay, so if you are promoting system.io, and if you want to get notified about affiliate commissions, you can just select this particular option. And here they have two more options. This one is don't send an invoice to the customer via email when they have made the purchase. So if you don't want to send an invoice, you can click this. Otherwise, the invoice will be sent whenever they have made the purchase. And if you don't want to send that invoice, you can just click here and you can just select this option. And this option is don't send an invoice to the customer via email when they have made the purchase as an individual. Okay, so they have both the options when they have made the purchase as a company and when they have made the purchase as an individual. You can actually switch off those notifications by clicking these options. So these are not very okay. and this is how you can actually manage all the notifications. Right now they have only these options. Maybe they will update and add few more features in the future, and I will be keep you updated about all those things. Okay, so let me know in the comment section if you have find this video useful. And also I have a community, a mastermind for the paid system.io users, where I will actually go live on a monthly basis, and we will actually discuss. Okay, so this is a very new community, I'm just starting out, and if you will jump in, you will be very new, and we will be able to interact on the one-to-one basis in this community. Okay, so if you are interested, what you need to do, you actually have to buy one of the system.io plan with my affiliate link. For all the details, you can actually check out the link in the description, and also in the first comment, the page where you can get all the information and also the links to go with any of the paid plans. And once you are the part of it, I will add you to this mastermind, and we will connect on the monthly basis and discuss about the growth strategies, discuss about the problems related to system.io. Okay, so if you are interested, just check it out. And that's all for this particular video. See you in the next one. Till then, stay awesome, stay blessed. Thank you.